Let's get right to the big market story of the day, those oil prices. As you can see right now, you've got oil. It's been an interesting day for it. Higher by 2% in the pre-market, pulling back now, as you can see, but still up more than 1%, especially for the WTI contract. Brent moving higher as well. United Refining Company Chairman and CEO John Catsimatidis is with me. John, all of this is happening, this OPEC news, the Saudis, 1 million barrels a day. They're going to start doing that cut at the end of July. That goes through 2024. This was not an OPEC move. This was a Saudi move. How does this play out here in the United States for American consumers?
Well, of course, what they're trying to do, oil was down to $68 a barrel on Friday. And I think the Saudis are panicking. Because Russia is panicking, Saudis are panicking, they're working in concert. So the people have to realize that. So they create, okay, we're going to cut oil production. Mm-hmm. Well, when they cut oil production, they said they're going to cut oil production last, what was it, a month ago, 6 weeks ago when we were here?
Well, there was an April meeting as well, but that was the entire coalition. This is just
I'm not sure they ever cut.
And then, well, I'm not sure that they did either, but I'll tell you what.
So you know what happened?
They did, but oil didn't move.
No. Oil, 6 weeks ago, it moved from $70 a barrel. So every time it goes to 68, 70, they panic. So they moved from $70 a barrel, went up to 83, 85.
And then it pulled back.
And then when they realized that it might not be true because they don't give you true numbers. Hey, you want to buy a flying carpet from them? Go buy a flying carpet from them. It's the same thing. So they panicked again this Sunday morning, and they said it was $68 on Friday. And it went to 72, 73 right now. So maybe people are finding out the truth. Don't panic. Now, in the same time, I spoke to Senator Dan Sullivan. Everything's a go-ahead for Alaska. We're going to be producing another 250,000 barrels a day. But what the American people have to know, we moved $1 trillion worth of income, $1 trillion worth of net worth from North America to Russia and the OPEC nations.
You're talking about OPEC Plus. Well, Russia, I mean, to be clear, there are sanctions against Russia, but there's been several reports.
You think anybody is really paying attention to that?
No, I mean,
I'll tell you the truth.
I'll tell you, although they're shipping under tankers that are disguised as other. They're basically.
I'll tell you the truth.
Sanctions.
I'm in the oil business. The Russian oil is going to Pakistan. That's shipping it to the United States as Pakistani oil. Whom do you want to trust? Whom do you trust? It's all crazy what's going on. And you know who's losing? The American consumer is losing.
Well, let's talk about this summer then. Like, what does this mean? I mean, it is summer, not, we're the driving season, the flying season. People are booking travel. They're planning trips for vacation. I mean, we're at 355 on average today. And that's better than we were a year ago, to be clear. But still, I mean, do you think these prices go up?
The prices will. The Saudis, the Russians will stir the pot and make sure prices go higher than lower. So exactly what's going to happen, we don't know. But it was $68 a barrel. That's the best price on Friday that it's ever been, and today it's 72, 73. So prices will tick higher, but let's not forget, North America, Canada, the United States is capable of being the largest oil supplier in the world. If we had Washington or whatever, that would help it happen. And maybe Washington is getting a little more reasonable. They made a deal with Kevin McCarthy. Okay? Ever since the old chief of staff of President Biden left, it seems to be a little more reasonable. They made a deal with Senator Dan Sullivan in Alaska for the 250,000 barrels. If the Democratic Party wants to be reelected, how do you say, stop screwing the American people and the American consumer?
Yeah. John, look, there is a lot, obviously, that's going to play out. In particular, I know that not just from your oil background, but also from your grocery store background, that you're going to have your pulse on all of this, in particular inflation, which is energy prices. Forget the core, it is energy prices. So, John, I want you to stick around. I do want to get your thoughts a little later on the crime crisis that's facing, in particular, this city, but other cities.
Well, I have a lot of opinions. You know that, Cheryl.
I know, and I can't wait to hear them. All right, I'll see you very soon. Don't leave yet.